Today is the first day of the DOT Blitz. They're focusing on tires and personal conveyance. Let's go over some examples of when you can't use personal conveyance. Personal conveyance is the movement of a CMV for personal use while off duty. A driver may record time operating a CMV for personal conveyance as off duty only when the driver is relieved from work and all responsibility for performing work by the motor carrier. So I'm glad they gave some examples because a lot of people disagree on when you legally can use personal conveyance. Number one, the movement of a CMV in order to enhance the operational readiness of a motor carrier. For example, bypassing available resting locations in order to get closer to the next loading or unloading point or other scheduled motor carrier destination. Basically, improving operational readiness just means you can't be on your way somewhere that is for the purpose of the carrier, like dropping off or delivering freight. So this is a strange example because you shouldn't be driving to your next loading or unloading location anyway under personal conveyance, so bypassing a rest station doesn't make it any more illegal. I believe what they're talking about is if you're out of hours or you're almost out of hours, you're supposed to stop at the closest available rest stop. Number two, after delivering a towed unit and the towing unit no longer meets the definition of a CMV, the driver returns to the point of origin under the direction of the motor carrier to pick up another towed unit. So to no longer be considered a CMV, you have to be 10,000 pounds or less. So this one is specifically going to be for pickups, basically saying once they've dropped a trailer and they're on their way back to go get another trailer, they can't use personal conveyance for that. Number three, continuation of a CMV trip in interstate commerce in order to fulfill a business purpose, including bobtailing or operating with an empty trailer in order to retrieve another load, or repositioning a CMV, tractor or trailer, at the direction of the motor carrier. This sounds very similar to the first one. Fulfilling a business purpose is very close to enhancing the operational readiness of a motor carrier. Basically just saying don't deadhead or bobtail to go get a load or to get loaded. Number four is for buses, so that doesn't apply. Number five, time spent transporting a CMV to a facility to have vehicle maintenance performed. That's just saying you can't be on your way somewhere to have maintenance or repair work done on your vehicle under personal conveyance. Number six basically says after being placed out of service for exceeding your hours, you can't drive to a place of rest unless the officer directs you to do so. Number seven, time spent traveling to a motor carrier's terminal after loading or unloading from a shipper or receiver. And then number eight is for buses. Be sure to check out my other two videos of when you can use personal conveyance and on tires.